For this assignment, I printed out pages from our Your Turn practice book and put them in the packet in your take-home folder. The first page, 188, here we're going to write about the story we will read today. The story we're going to read is titled For You. So get your story, and you could read along with me. Today we're going to write about what the boy in the story sees. So think about that as we read and look at your picture clues. I'm going to start with the title. For You. You have a little duck. It can hop for Mom. You have a little pig. It can rub the mud. You have a little pup. It can have fun. So here I wrote, the boy sees animals. So try to write about what else the boy sees. Maybe you can say the names of the animals. Or you could write it like mine. Okay, once you have this done, ask an adult to take a picture and post it into Google Classroom, and also send back only your writing page to school.